Let's break down OSPF, Open Shortest Path First Protocol, in simple terms. 1. What is OSPF? OSPF is a routing protocol used in computer networks to help routers figure out the best paths for sending data from one place to another. It stands for Open Shortest Path First. 2. How does it work? Imagine you have a big city and you want to deliver packages from one side to the other using different roads. OSPF helps routers, the traffic managers, in the network to find the shortest and most efficient paths for delivering data. Here are 5 key concepts of OSPF. 1. Router communication. Routers using OSPF talk to each other, sharing information about the roads, network links they know about. 2. Cost. Each road has a cost, representing how fast or slow it is. OSPF routers calculate the total cost of a path by adding up the costs of its roads. 3. Shortest path. OSPF helps routers find the path with the lowest total cost to reach a destination. 4. Link state database. Routers maintain a database of all the roads and their costs. This is like a map that routers use to plan the best routes. 5. Hello packets. Routers send hello messages to each other to say, "Hey, I'm here and I want to share information." This helps routers discover their neighbors. Why OSPF? Efficiency. OSPF helps in finding the quickest paths, which means data gets to its destination faster. Adaptability. If a road becomes slow or blocked, OSPF routers quickly adjust to find a new, better path. In a nutshell, OSPF is like a traffic manager for routers, helping them work together efficiently to find the fastest routes through the network.